Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and I'm the Shift Wife. If you'd like to learn how to make this beautiful fall farmhouse wreath, just stick around. I'm going to be showing you how to make it step by step. Here I have some lamb's ear that I am just cutting and making shorter, and then I will get ready to place it in the wreath. I'm using hot glue to secure the lamb's ear to the wreath. I'm getting the different pieces and placing them inside of the wreath, and then once I get the look that I like, I will go back around and place the hot glue. These little white pumpkins I purchased from Hobby Lobby in a package, but you can also find something very similar at the Dollar Tree. I picked up this buffalo plaid bow at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to be securing it with the little twisty tie thing that it comes with. And then I'll run a little bit of hot glue over the back of it just to make sure that it doesn't come undone. I felt like this wreath could use some pops of color, so I have these dark orange flowers that I'm going to cut into little branches and then stick them into the wreath just to add little pops of color throughout the lamb's ear. I love how this wreath is turning out. I love farmhouse decor, but sometimes I feel like certain things can be a little bland and need a little pop of color. So these little orange flowers just bring out a little color in it, but you still have that awesome farmhouse look with the lamb's ear and everything. I'm removing that one pumpkin there because the position wasn't quite right when I decided to add the bow in the place that I did. So I just removed it, and I'm going to place it just a slight bit farther down on the wreath. I have 2 more exciting fall DIYs planned, and I just filmed them already. So be on the lookout for those. Make sure that you have your notifications turned on. You won't want to miss it. Let me know what you guys think of this wreath. Do you like the way that it turned out? What would you do differently? Let me know in the comments below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big old thumbs up. And also, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one.